Welcome back, traders. Before we dive into today's analysis, let me introduce Daily Chart, your ultimate trading companion designed to make your trading journey smarter and easier. With Daily Chart, you get access to crypto and forex signals that guide your trades, accurate forecasts to keep you ahead of the market, an interactive heat map to spot market trends, a detailed economic calendar for planning around key events, and live charts to analyze prices in real time. Download the app now to explore all these features and unlock your trading potential. For any questions, assistance, or details, feel free to contact us directly on the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen and in the description below. We are here to help you trade better and smarter every step of the way.